You wiping off all the drool?
Yeah. He's still drooling again.
He's drooling again? Yeah, he drools a lot. That's good.
Scratching me.
No, honey, that's enough. Don't cover his face so much.
I'm just wiping.
Okay, good job. Good job being a big sister. He's talking to you.
Yeah, do you like this baby? Oh, Eli.
What are you gonna say to him?
Sing.
What do you say to Eli?
Eli called a hearing 10.
Do you tell him he's silly?
You silly Eli.
Can you make that noise to him?
Eli is my soul brother.
He's your soul brother?
Yeah, he's my brother.
Yes. Do you love him?
Yeah, he's my baby boy.
He's what?
He's my baby boy.
He is your baby boy.
He's my soulmate friend.
He's what?
He's with me.
I don't think you'd like that too much.